Currently I'm an interaction designer on the Wellness Project, and as an interaction designer I work with the clinical research staff and some of the PhD students to try and take their idea from the lab to the home, and in this case we looked at taking their technology into the office as well. So we started off with design workshops, and in these design workshops we got everyone together from the project, professors in motivation, psychology, sports physiology, like usability specialists, and our engineering guy, David. And we brainstormed different ways in which we could take the stepping exercise and try and make it easy and accessible in the homes and office of people. One group had graphical feedback on the interface, and one group didn't. Once we decided that we wanted to give visual feedback, we started to explore associative and dissociative interfaces. So an associative interface is when you when you go up and down a step, in this case for stepping stones, you will see your feet go up and down. And a dissociative interface will be when you go to a gym and you watch a music video. So you're not actually paying attention to what you're doing, you're kind of abstractly away. For stepping stones, we explored the Wii Fit stepping exercise, and while it's a great program, the Wii Fit requires some technical skill, and because of the accessibility of the device, we tried to make it simple for anyone to use. So a person just has to follow a step going up and down at a set pace, and the pace doesn't change. On the interface we also developed a progress bar that changes based upon colour, so people get a more sort of abstract way in which they know their heart rate and the time left in the exercise program. Once they've completed the exercise program, they go through to a screen that shows them it starts at the bottom of a mountain and it climbs to the top, and the idea is that this is a sort of a visual metaphor of the challenge of completing a stepping exercise. So as the weeks go by, each week they kind of slowly move up and they see that they're progressing, and as they progress up in meters they unlock certain buildings. Because it's a 3-minute exercise, we don't want people spending 10 minutes to get ready or so much time going through the interface. So for this we developed a tangible interface in which a person lifts their left or right leg to select the song, and then they just use their RFID tag to tag on, and that does their selection. So within sort of 3 selections they quickly move on without a need for a navigational accessory. This is a research prototype, and because we are trying to take research from the clinic to home, from a design perspective there's lots of constraints, such as we still need to collect ECG heart data and kinematic sensors from both legs. So in that sense the project may not seem it's like commercially ready, but we try to make it as easy as possible by making simple straps and markers, so people can quickly do it and it's quite usable. And one of the concepts we explored was a mobile version in which a person will be able to do it in their smartphone and still get the same sort of motivation and feedback from the physiotherapist who'll be looking at their data in the clinic.